Surprise developments in the stepmom murder trial. The El Paso County woman accused of murdering 11-year-old Letecia Stauch now losing her access to the jail law library because she chose to skip her appointments.
Letecia Stauch, who is not a lawyer, is representing herself in court next month. KRDO News Channel 13 Sydney Stell joins us live from the jail with what Stauch will now face moving forward. Sydney.
Yeah, here at the El Paso County Jail, Letecia Stauch will now prepare to defend herself at her murder trial while only having access to a small portion of all the evidence in her case.
Letecia Stauch, who has no legal experience whatsoever, will no longer have access to the jail's law library to prepare her case for trial. She said her scheduled library time was too early in the morning and she was too tired. She had been given 2 hours twice a week, but she refused to go twice, and the jail then revoked her library privileges for 90 days, which is their policy, although her trial is next month. In a rare move, she fired her legal team and opted to represent herself at trial. She said one of the big reasons why is she felt her lawyers were not giving her enough access to her evidence. Well, now she's voluntarily giving up that access.
Obviously, it's going to be an incredible challenge for her moving forward if she doesn't have access to the law library.
After past escape attempts, Stauch is only allowed to have limited amounts of paperwork in herself for security reasons. Right now, she's only allowed to have about 1,800 physical pages of evidence. That's less than 10% of all of the evidence in her case. Colorado Springs defense attorney Jeremy Lowe, who has never represented Stauch, says she will now have a lot less to work with when she represents herself at her first pretrial hearing in about 3 weeks.
It gives her an opportunity to be able to cross-examine witnesses in her case. But without access to her discovery, it's going to be a real challenge for her to do that.
She's going up against 3 experienced prosecutors, including 4th Judicial District Attorney Michael Allen. The 37-year-old former teacher is adamant that 2 pieces of evidence will clear her name.
Nothing has come to light. So it's pretty unfathomable that she would continue down this path that she's going down. And as a criminal defense attorney, I can't begin to speculate why she would be doing this.
Now, Stauch will remain here at the El Paso County Jail without bond until her first preliminary hearing, which is scheduled for the end of next month. Live in Colorado Springs, I'm Sydney Stell, KRDO News Channel 13.